Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Carmina, another comfort podcast. Yes, recorded comfort podcast. Episode 3. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, guys, today kind of a very kind of having a typhoon here in my country, Manila, Philippines. I am in the Philippines. And yes, my heart goes out to all who are currently having challenges with regards to the pouring of the rain, the typhoon. Praying for all of you to be safe. Keep safe, everybody. But again, here is another comfort podcast for you guys, just to comfort you. Maybe, kind of, it's raining, umuulan. Do you want this in Taglish? I think I need to do this in Taglish ba? Alright, so guys, tune in guys for some comforting podcast sharing, storytelling guys. Alright, okay, I appreciate it guys. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Well, in English, it means, it's been raining in Manila, aren't you feeling cold? Like that, guys. Or this one, sawari ko'y lumipas ng kadiliman ng araw, dahan-dahan pang gumigising at ngayon babawi na muntik nang nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa at kaya ng iwanan ng bakas ng kahapon ko. So the song means tuloy pa rin, life goes on, like that. That's the song. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Pataas na ng pataas, hindi ko na maabot. Ayun guys. Alright, so again, welcome, welcome, welcome. Just really to welcome the podcast, guys. So, how are you all doing? I know this is the wet season, or kind of. They say this one it's going to be 9 days. The raining, the typhoon here in the Philippines. So, kind of really, I have witnessed some places already had been already flooding, and praying that everything will all the weather will soon be fine. But I know some most of us here in the Philippines are not quite having a kind of uh, a safe environment. How do you say that, guys? Hindi ligtas lahat ngayon. So, praying for everybody to keep safe. All right. Guys, this is the season where usually guys during like back in the days when I was in grade school, about to go to high school, it's kind of the season, rainy season, around June-ish, during those times ka, because I think students now goes to school September, just like in the States. But somehow, guys, really, it's the season where I remember like the hype of Neo Colors. It's a band that's kind of what who sang that song, Tuloy Pa Rin, the one I just sang a while ago, and the other one is Lola Amor. Okay, so yes, I remember, guys, this song, guys, I like, ha. For most of you who knows this one, maybe of Neo Colors, let's sing it, guys, ha. There I was waiting for a chance, hoping that you'll understand the things I wanna say as my love went stronger than before. I wanna see you more and more, but you close your door. Why don't you try to open up your eyes, close to open up. Nawala. Maybe it's wrong to say, please love me too. Guys, those were the feels during those days. Yung, talaga, every time, I would remember first school days of whatever age was that. Those were the days talaga. New colors. Ano yon? Yeah, basta ganun. Basta ganun was kind of having that fever of, oh my god, going back to school again, and at the same time you're excited and some kind of not. You get me, guys? So for those of you mga Pinoys, you know that. Or maybe ako lang yon. Ako lang. All right. So guys, let's go back to the podcast. Comfort Podcast is a content about cultivating hope. Okay, so guys, this one I have been reading. Like this one, guys, I do this talaga, especially for those of you who are single. Well, not necessarily, pero this one could spark hope, right? So, guys, somehow to stay hopeful as I'm reading this one, guys. When things feel heavy, communities on platforms like a lot of things, guys, online suggest dropping forced positivity instead of focusing on tiny manageable wins right in front of you. Lower the bar. It says here, count basic daily acts like eating a meal or washing clothes as absolute victories. Stop looking too far ahead of overwhelming global or future problems. Focus only on the current afternoon. That helps, no? Sometimes, guys, because like now, the weather is kind of very inviting for us to be kind of gloomy and kind of, but also looking at the side where some people right in this moment is not safe or not safe because of the rainy season. The level of flood has been already is already up there, and then not many people are lucky to have a shelter or kind of a safe place to stay in. No food at all. And yes, so just having that thought, guys, is kind of a very kind of way to be grateful, isn't it? That we are so blessed. Again, another thing, guys, let yourself feel sad instead of fighting negative emotions, treating those feelings as useful data rather than failures. So, daily habits like this one to find hope, cut the noise, limit news intake, and step away from online feeds that feed on outage and despair. Build a routine, get fresh air, eat simple food, and move your body with light exercise. Guys, please check out my exercise channel. I link it down below. But here it is. This is my channel. It's gonna flash on the screen. And then this, thank you guys for that. And then this one, focus on micro actions. Do one small kind thing or tackle the single next step instead of trying to fix everything at once. So some points, guys, for us to be hopeful, right? So again, let's read more, guys. All right. I hope that helps. So let's read more. Another way, guys, it says here to reset our mind and body, to be hopeful, step away, leave the work area or somewhere where you are in or in a situation for a short time to give your brain a break. Change scenery, go outside, walk in a park, or move to a different room. Attend to basics, drink water, eat healthy snack, or take a short rest. Another one, move physically, do a little stretch, go for a quick walk, or do yoga. Guys, I have lots of that in my other channel. I link it down below. It's on my live streams, guys. Here, shift your focus, consume new input, read a book, listen to a new type of music, or look at art. Lower the stakes. It says here, do a low pressure creative task just for fun with no goal attached. Do chores slowly, clean or tidy up at a very slow, mindful pace to calm the mind. Okay, for us to feel hopeful, just keep going. I know it's easier said than done, guys, pero that's the best way. It says here, just keep going one small step at a time. Believe in you. Every little thing you do is going to make a difference. Just so to remind us all that when we are hopeless, we know we should remember that everything will get better with hard work. Just keep trying and find a reason to keep going. Okay, this one, guys, is a good read. You may not always have a comfortable life, and you will not always be able to solve all of the world's problems at once, but don't ever underestimate the importance you can have, because history has shown us that courage can be contagious and hope can take on a life of its own. Another one, we have always held to the hope. We have always held to the hope that the belief the conviction that there is better life, better world beyond. This one, guys, hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. That's beautiful, guys. This one, no matter where you are on your journey, that's exactly where you need to be. The next road is always ahead. Okay, this one, a strong mind always hopes and has always cause to hope. That's nice, guys. And then this one, let's read this one, guys. Always stay hopeful. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. This is where it all begins. Everything starts here today. To wish was to hope, and to hope was to expect. Beautiful, guys. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. And it says here, never give up on something that you can't go a day without thinking about. Life is full of surprises. Always be hopeful for tomorrow because your miracle can happen any day. Hope never abandons you. You abandon it. Right? We abandon it. That's true. What else? Hope is the fuel behind every great dream. It whispers, keep going on the days when nothing else does. Life is always better with a smile, right? Guys, it helps, diba? When you try to smile, even so you don't feel like it. It seems like all the muscles relaxes and eventually it manifests in the mind, body, and soul, diba? Sometimes. Okay. What else? When it was dark, you always carried the sun in your hand for me. Oh, this was talking about faith, guys. You are stronger than you think. Believe in your power even when it's quiet. What else, guys? Always hope but never expect. Oh, that's a good thing naman. Sometimes we expect too much. The very least you can do in your life is figure out what you hope for. And the most you can do is live inside the hope. Make a decision to talk about why you're blessed, not stressed. You give life to what you focus on. That's true naman. Totoo yun, guys. So always believe. Let's all believe in the good side, guys. So never stop believing in hope because miracles happen every day. Right, guys? That's true. I believe in that. I find hope in the darkest of the days and focus in the brightest. I do not judge the universe. That's a good one. Um, Please don't give me hope. Huh? What's this? I sorry guys, I was just reading. Okay, do not please ignore that, okay? So here, healing takes courage and we all have courage even if we have to dig a little to find it. It takes time, guys, to heal, right? Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. So guys, there's a lot of resources online and a lot more, guys, to learn in life, guys, but taking each day one moment at a time, right? So I hope, guys, that helps. I will see you again in the next Comfort Podcast. This has been Carmina. Take care, you guys, again. So never give up. Always find ways to realize that there's hope at any time, anywhere, right? Okay, take care, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.